That's nice and quick. Hey, this is Dave and Rich at HouseBarons. Today we're gonna take down a chimney, at least halfway. We got a chimney that's leaning, and so we gotta remove it brick by brick. To repair it would take piers, and that would stop it from leaning, but it's like $3,000. Not worth it to us. This is basically a non-functioning chimney anyway. It's a decorative fireplace inside. So we're gonna get rid of the danger of the lean and bring it down to about 6 feet. And to do it, we're gonna use this. It's a Makita Hammer Drill, and we're gonna show you how to remove the brick, one brick at a time, but in a lot quicker fashion than if you're just using a hammer and chisel. All right, so we got our hammer drill, and what we're just gonna do is hit in between the bricks and try to loosen them up. Now this top of this chimney has kind of like a cement cap, so maybe I'll try to chisel some of this down. Getting this started is going to be the harder part, and once we get it going, we'll be fine. So you can see we've got that's 3-finger gap between the roof. It's probably 4 fingers. So it's leaning a good 2 or 3 inches that way, and it keeps going. So that once upon a time, the chimney was a lot closer than it is now. And we just can't afford to take the risk of waiting for it to tumble. This is a rental house, and we don't need that kind of liability. So down it goes. So anyway, to use this, it's just a pull trigger. And then as you press against this, it vibrates and it'll hopefully do a lot of the muscle for us. Eye protection, always important. Now we guys got to find some places to get rid of this. Once the hole gets started, it's a whole lot easier to keep it going. All right, that's a big piece right there. Woohoo! Hey,
got one brick. You moved the capstone, and that's been the secret.
Careful. Saw that. You see the whole thing move?
Yeah. All right, we're getting somewhere.
All right, this gives you an idea what you're looking at from inside the chimney. That clay tube, that's where the gas comes up. This is just hollow, there's nothing in this one. Just some blocking to hold the chimney up. So, yeah, these bricks are made out of concrete and they don't come off just like bricks, but we're trying to pry whole sections out, and it seems like it's working pretty well. So basically, we're having some success. You can see that moving with the pry bar. So you find a gap in the structure and just wedge that pry bar in, and the lever really works. But that hammer drill works to put a hole in it make a crack, but the pry bar really does the big work. That's nice and quick.
All right, so there's the basics for using a hammer drill. This is an awesome tool because it's lightweight. We've got another video that we'll link to right there. That's for a demo hammer, and that one has way more power, but it's also like super heavy. And personally, I would not want to be up on a slanted roof, lugging that thing around, especially when debris is falling and it makes it slippery. But this guy is so lightweight, it's very easy to use, and it's awesome for all kinds of masonry work. This little dumpster here is called the Bagster, and we made another video where we can tell you all the details about it. It's a really cool small dumpster that is very affordable, and we'll put a link to that video right here. It's perfect for clearing debris on a small construction job. All right, we're almost finished with the first part of this chimney restoration project, and that was just the demo phase. We don't need to take it all the way to the ground because the lower half is actually still pretty secure. So we're gonna leave it at this height, and then in the next video, we're gonna wrap it with cedar, and we'll show you how we do that. So if you got anything out of this video, please hit the thumbs up button because that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.